In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Bitget wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then log in to your account if you haven't already. After that, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see the overview of all of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your Binance account. Now, among these, you just have to select the particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer. Now let's say you want to transfer USDT from Binance. You just have to tap on USDT, and here you will be able to see the withdrawal option. So you need to tap on withdrawal, and then select the send via crypto network option. After that, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to provide the address, network, and enter the amount. In order to get all of these details, you need to launch your Bitget mobile application, and here on the home page, you need to tap on your deposit option. After that, you will be able to see various types of options here, like the receive option. You can even buy cryptos here, and you can also do P2P trading in your Bitget wallet. So you just have to tap on the receive option, and here for USDT, you just have to select the network which you want. Let's say you want to receive your USDT based on the TRC20 network. You just have to select it, and you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you just have to copy that from here, then come back to this page and paste the address in this section. After that, in the network section, you need to make sure that it is the same network that you have selected in your Bitget wallet, which in my case was the TRC20 network. So, in the network section, you need to select that network. After that, in the withdrawal amount, you need to enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw from your account. After filling these details, you need to tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then, on the next page, you just have to simply wait until your transaction is completed. Once this is done, you will be able to transfer your crypto from Binance to the Bitget wallet. And that was all. Subscribe. It's free.